What's up, trendsetters? So today's video is sponsored by, I'm gonna grab it. Jefoo.
Jefoo glasses.
Yes, I've heard it pronounced Jefoo and Jefoo. So that's who is sponsored by today. Here, so
Jefoo.
Sponsored by Jefoo. So the first set of glasses that we have here is in JF229 in white. I want to say these are yours, Mando. The sun, as y'all can see, is unrelenting down here in Florida, so we need UV protection, sunblock, all of that. So this is perfect for us.
Yeah, it's beating hard.
It is beating. Ooh, so look, it comes in a nice case.
Oh yeah, it comes.
I think those are yours.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that case.
Look at the case. Yeah.
That's a nice case.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's got the branding on it. They have sports glasses, polarized lens glasses.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That ain't comes in the bag too.
And it comes in a nice bag. Show them the nice bag.
Comes
It's got
in
a
the
nice bag.
You know.
And it looks like they have lens cleaners. Show them the wipe to clean the lens.
This the lens cleaner right here.
So you can keep them nice and clean. Ooh, these are Randall's.
Nice. Dang, they nice.
Wow,
man.
show them. You gotta get the plastic off. Oh yeah, these are Randall's in white.
Yeah, look at these.
So they have wraparound glasses. If you're into sports, they have wraparound glasses. And they're good for people that are into winter sports or fishing. They have fishing glasses. They have glasses for kids. They have cat-eye glasses. Like I said, polarized lens glasses. They have fashion glasses. They have one lens, which I think I did get a pair of the one lens. And they also have kids glasses, and then the kind that wrap around with the tie strap. So it's all sorts and fashion glasses. So now we're gonna look at the next pair. We have 3 pair. So this is my pair. You're gonna open them up for me. Randall's gonna open them up for me.
Yeah, they nice.
Oh yeah, mine came in a case too.
Sports glasses.
Yeah, you got the nice sport ones.
Oh, these are different. No, it's the same case.
It's similar, but it's a little bit different shape because these are sport. So these are mine. Down just a tiny bit. Alright, so these are mine, and it's the same. It comes with the wipe to clean it off. Comes in a nice case. A nice little satchel bag. And these are the one lens that I was talking about. They're different. So these are the one lenses that I was telling you guys about. I love these. And this is in, let me see the box because I gotta make sure I tell them. No, that's the white. These are the JF189 in champagne rose. See on there, you can see the logo. You can see the logo on there.
And it's a different style too.
Oh, I got them a little wet. So there they are on. I like the style of these. Yeah, so these are the one lens.
Oh yeah, they nice.
You like them?
Yeah, they nice. And they got like a pink tint.
Yeah, they have a rose pink tint. So yeah, I like these. These are nice. What do you guys think? Are the water droplets real bad on them? Or it looks good?
No, it's good.
I like these. I like the fit of these. I like the polarized lenses. I feel comfortable looking around the sun because it is beating today, y'all. The sun is beating down.
Oh yeah, it's hot.
It's hot. We're in like the 90s. So it's perfect. They're perfect.
Every day.
Yeah. So I'm going to take these off and put them in because I have another pair to try on.
Yeah, so these like sports glasses. I'm on these ones right here.
Yeah, they
They remind me
are
of sports
for
glasses.
like good for fishing.
Oh yeah.
I got
And they
another.
got that tent for the sun.
I love the case and that the case can keep them from getting broken. I'd say so far. Yeah. Then I have them in. What's the next pair? Oh, it's covered. I can't see which ones these are. But I want to say like these are JF179 Dusty Rose. I'll get the style for you guys. It's covered up on the box. But this is the other pair. Look at this. They came in a pink.
Pink.
You can see the logo. Okay.
Yeah.
These
got the pink. What you doing?
These have a pink satchel.
Mm-hmm. So they got a whole lot of different pairs y'all could get. You can buy from.
And has a pink cloth to clean them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh look, show them the logo on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a logo on it.
Yeah.
So I want to say these were the Dusty Rose pair, JF179. These are JF179 Dusty Rose. See the print?
Oh yeah, they nice.
Yeah.
Shoot, they got a whole lot of nice pair of glasses too.
Yeah, I'm gonna put these on. These are nice. They're a nice, smaller rim.
Mm-hmm.
I'm almost wondering if these are. You don't think they're kids, are they? No.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are. I want to say that these are the Dusty Rose. These are the Dusty Rose. And those how those are looking on the side. I like them. These are very lightweight. So these are nice lightweight fashion glasses.
Yeah, nothing heavy.
Nothing heavy. I like these. So yeah, I'm gonna let you put those back in the bag for me. My favorite are the one lens.
What? The one lens glasses?
Yeah, those are my favorite.
I like these right here. These are real nice.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like the one lens. I like those because the other ones because they're nice lightweight. But I'm gonna put back on my favorites. They're just different. I like them. I haven't ever had a pair. I haven't ever had a pair like these before, so I really like these. They're different.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. All right, so these are my favorites.
Mm-hmm.
Out of all the pairs that we have, the three, I got two, Randall got one, and yeah,
Yep.
These right here, the one lens, these are my favorites for sure. And this is in what box? Let me see the box. In champagne rose. And they're one lens. These are definitely my favorites. They're different. I like them. And Randall has that JF229 in white.
Yeah.
And again, these are the, let me see the box. The other box. These are the JF189 in champagne rose. So I really like them, and they're great. These feel the best against the sun. They're really comfortable on my eyes. Even with splashing water, I don't have water in my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I like them. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Appreciate y'all.
Again, this has just been a quick pool day with us, unboxing the Jefoo. sunglasses. I love them. I'm definitely going to be wearing these again.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely wearing
Yeah, I
these.
know.
like these.
I know you will be going like when you go fishing and things like that.
Oh,
Anyways, guys, be sure to check them out. Again, they have women's glasses, men's glasses, children's glasses, and they have nice cases to keep them from getting broken and to keep up with them.
And they come with the cloth to wipe the glasses.
And a cloth to wipe the glasses, and a nice little satchel to keep them in. And yeah, I like them. It looks like it's nice and small enough to fit in my purse too. Anyways, guys, this has been the Jefoo sunglasses unboxing. You guys could check out the link in the description to get a 10% discount using my name, Jocelyn Taylor. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, trendsetters. Peace.
Peace.